Hi, I'm Suzanne, and I'm with Road to Closings, a marketing and business agency, and also an agent with eXp. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a wave video to include sound. Let's get started. We're first going to start off by uploading your video. And we're going to click on the Edit button. Here you can see it's been brought in, and the current dimensions is a square, which is perfect for Instagram. If you would like to change the dimensions, you can simply click on the Resize Video and choose whichever dimensions you would like to create. I'm going to keep it as a square for now. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is add some music to this video. So we're going to go to the Add Music button here. And here you will see that there's all sorts of different options of the types of music that you can choose from. I'm going to choose relaxing. Here you'll see that there is just a whole lot of different options for you to choose from, and you can listen to them simply by clicking on the play button here. When you find one that you'd like to use, simply click on the Add button. It then pulls in, as you can see here, the music. And by clicking on the end, you can pull it to the very end of your video. All right, so now you'll see that it is added to your video. So I'm going to change this to not be quite so loud and put it all the way down to about 20%. What you can also do is add some voiceover to your video. There's an icon down here that looks like a microphone. If you click on it, you can record your voice like so. Welcome to Sarasota, Florida. Here you'll see that it's been recorded, and you can add your voice to your video. As you can see, it has been added here, but you can move it to any position you would like during the video. I'll add it right there. So now if we play it, you will also hear the background music plus my voiceover. Welcome to Sarasota, Florida. Finally, you can also take the background music for your video and change it so that it has some fading at the end to make it that much more professional. I hope that's helped you create some professional video with voiceover and background music. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at roadtoclosings.com.